Morning, we just woke up in Rondina and now we're on our way to some mermaid pools. It's a bit of a hike, like 2-hour hike there and back.
Supposedly.
But we'll show you when we get there. We just woke up in Clifton, right near Seacliff Bridge, and now we're off to Wollongong. First stop is the post office because we're picking up a battery that's much lighter than the ones that we have, just so it's a bit lighter on the van. Just picked up our new battery and we're gonna try sell these two, the ones that we have in here, to replace with that one because this will save us like 50 kilos, so
50 kilos
pretty good.
Hey guys, how's it going? So at the moment we're currently at a place called Jump Rock, which is just off Macquarie's Pass. So we just came down from Wollongong, spent a few days there, which was really nice, and now we are in Jump Rock, which is a series of different little waterfalls and swimming holes. Yeah, it's really awesome. It's about a 3.5k hike from the car park. Can get a bit muddy, but overall, super awesome. So, welcome back.
Welcome back. back.
Welcome back. At the moment we are currently making a lovely roast dinner.
While listening to the Triple J Top 100.
Yes, we've been listening all day. Currently we're at number 16. So we're looking forward to counting down to number 1. What do you think it's going to be?
I have no idea. I actually have no idea.
I have no idea either. But we'll see how it goes.
But tonight we are parked at Gerringong Beach and we're just whipping up a yummy dinner.
Yeah, so we've got Ella on the air fryer. So she's currently cooking some potato chips. Gonna see how they go. And then I'll be on the grill mastering the steak. So we've got some Scotch pork fillets. They're already marinated, so they've got some nice flavour.
Hello, just thought I'd end the vlog here. Ben and I are currently making some chicken laksa for dinner. Thank you so much for watching this far into my video and I'll see you next week.